Was it good to say one while shooting also?
Both of them, you're asking?
Yeah, of course. First Bhavika.
पहले भामिका. Did I?
बदमाशी करता था क्या बहुत?
बदमाशी करता था.
Ragging.
बोलो.
नहीं, I think हम सब really, एक तो हम वैसे भी बहुत सब relaxed लोग हैं, तो कोई ड्रैग करके नहीं लेके जाता था सेट पे.
अरे इसको लोग जानते नहीं अभी तक. ये खुली नहीं है आप सबके सामने अभी तक. धीरे धीरे खुली. वो ये मेरे को रैग करती थी. मैं कोशिश करता था इनको रैग करने के लिए, बट मैं रैग हो जाता था. ये तो गुंडी है. ऑटो में
मैं ठीक हूँ, ऑटो doesn't get.
She said तू चल ऑटो में चल. क्या गाड़ी में जा रहा है? स्टार है क्या? ऑटो में घुमाया मुझे, पूरा भारत दर्शन किया. देन एट नाइट शी सेड सीलिंग नहीं देखा है मैंने. सीलिंग में जाना चाहिए हम लोग को. तो ये ऑटो में नहीं है.
On a serious note, how was it working with both the girls?
Varun is great. I mean, jokes apart, he's a great human being. And like Bhavika said, he makes sure that he comforts you so much. Because he is happy when you are happy. All said and done, but he also pulls your leg a lot. He does rag me. And he says I rag him too much, but I don't know. Really? ठीक है, मैं अभी शादी करके आई हूँ, तो हमसे ने मेरी डिसेंट अभी. हेलो.
भामिका, वरुण as a co-ed.
मैंने actually अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन में सबसे पहले वही बात की that it was a pleasure working with him. Generally लोग कोई भी intimidate होगा that you're going to be working with such a beautiful big team who have been doing excellent work in their fields, and I was nervous, but the first day only when I met him, when we worked together, I knew it's going to be easy. I will be able to give my best in this, and that shows what kind of a human being he is. अगर नहीं अच्छा होता तो मैं जबरदस्ती कुछ नहीं बोलती आज. मतलब he is so good that I want to like बार-बार तारीफ करना चाहती हूँ तुम्हारे में. That he's such a secure actor. He is so supportive. He would want कि जितना अच्छा हो सके उतना. He's not someone who will only think about himself, and that's the best thing about him. Oh, and he gossips a lot.
Yeah. Hello. Hi. Yeah. Upma from Navara Times. इधर.
उपमा.
Yes. उपमा अलंकार.
Okay. Hi.
Hi. So वरुण, जब आप लोगों ने एंट्री मारी, एंड वो जो बच्ची है प्यारी सी जो फिल्म में आपकी बेटी का रोल कर रही है, उसके साथ जो
Zara, she wants to come here. You have to say 5 times the table. Come here.
See, this is what I was saying कि जब आपने एंट्री की, जिस तरीके से आप उसके साथ खेल रहे थे, उसको प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे थे फ्रॉम दिस, ये जो हो रहा था, एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा फादरली इंस्टिंक्ट नजर आया. Does it change you, Varun, after becoming a father?
You know, honestly, मैं बचपन से ही मुझे बच्चों के साथ मजा आता था. Though I was a kid, I would enjoy. When I did films also earlier in my career, I would always concentrate कि जो मैं content बाहर डाल रहा हूँ, kids can watch these kind of films. You know, I want to make films that children can watch, they can enjoy, put a smile on their faces, and that's why I enjoy a lot with kids. I enjoy their games. I enjoy doing masti with them. And I saw her daughter, it's so pretty. And with her, तो मुझे बहुत मजा आया इसके साथ. हम लोग ने इतना शूटिंग किया है साथ में. And I have to say something about Zara, that she's a very, very good actor. Don't go by how old she is. She's a very, very good actor. She's a very intelligent actor. And वो जिस तरीके के emotions लेके आते हैं, ये फुल धमाल है. ये फटाका है एक नंबर की. And we had a lot of fun together. She has another little sister and little brother also. I would play with the little sister also in the van. And she gave me a gift for my baby. You know, when I had a baby, she gave me a gift also. So thank you, Zara.
But have you changed as a person?
I don't know. अभी मतलब पहले भी अच्छा ही बोलते थे, अभी भी अच्छा ही बोलते थे. Change मतलब after becoming a father, have I changed? I don't know यार. मैं इतना अपने आप को स्टडी नहीं कर रहा हूँ अभी, बट मैं कोशिश, right now I'm running such a tight schedule, इधर से उधर भाग रहा हूँ कि I'm only changing clothes. As a person, I don't think I'm changing it. I think I'm becoming back like my old personality, like how I was during 90 Rayo. मैं वैसे ही वापस वो zone में जा रहा हूँ, I'm feeling.
Hi guys.
Next question.
This is Nawaz Kochhar from Indian Express. Here guys. Hi.
There you go. What's up, buddy?
Hi. Murad sir, I have a question for you. So I firstly want to understand how did this collaboration with Atlee and Priyaji come about?
We met through a common friend, actually.
कौन सा? So,
वरुण को सब जानता है, कौन सा जानता है। हाँ, so हम मिलने के बाद हमने डिस्कस किया and obviously we all loved the script and Atlee sir wanted to make this and then we made 4-5 times and that's how this happened.
Thank you sir.
Hi Varun, Shweta here from IW Ampal.
hi Shweta, what's up?
All good, all good. Varun मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी, अब सलमान जी के साथ आपने कोलैबोरेशन किया है, how was that feeling? कितना enjoy किया?
बहुत अच्छा. It's been one of its kind. आजकल लोग सिर्फ Instagram पे collaboration कर रहे हैं. हम लोग actual film में कर रहे हैं proper collaboration, which feels good. And he's one of a kind. Has the largest heart in our business. And I think when you see the film, all his fans are going to be very, very, very pleased.
Any compliment you got from Salman ji?
वो सीधा कॉम्प्लीमेंट तो देते नहीं है मुझे, बस I mean he just saw me said baby जान बड़ा हो गया baby. I mean I don't know if that's a compliment but yeah I mean go in his
Hi,
time.
hi Varun.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hi Varun.
Hi ma'am, कैसे हो आप?
Yeah.
Hi how are you?
This is Pooja Samant. I would like to ask you, we have earlier also seen many times you are performing quite bold and quite daring stunts. So how difficult this time was doing some stunts, because it's a quite daredevil stunts. Was there any challenges? Did you enjoy?
That's a very good question and बहुत different था because the kind of stunts और जिस तरीके का action हम लोग ने बेबी जॉन में किया, it's not usually हम लोग जैसे करते हैं यहाँ पे. हमारे जो action directors थे, right from Arnal sir to Yannick to Stan Siva to some other ones that we used, it's a mix of a lot of international meets Indian stunt masters. I remember one story when I was shooting a very big rain fight in Kerala. I was shooting in Kochi, and before going for the fight, Atlee sir called and just warned me. He said, "Sir, if you don't want to do a stunt, don't do it." He said, "If you don't want to do a certain stunt, please avoid it. You tell Kalis no, because he will push you." And then after that, I realized that he called Kalis and told the same thing to Kalis that if Varun says he wants to do something and it's very dangerous, you don't agree. So later on, he told me that you're a boat mad, so I have to be careful or don't do some crazy things. But that didn't stop Kalis, obviously. He hung me for 6 hours, upside down. He made me ride a horse at 5 o'clock in the morning. And a lot of other torture he's done, but you can only do that. Huh? Sorry. Sir, every actor you say the same thing. You can only do that.
Hello. हाँ.
Yeah, my wife.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, Vaishali Chandra from Alpha World. Congratulations to the entire team. We are loving what we are seeing on screen. The music, the performances. My question is for Kirti. I'm loving you on screen.
Thank you so much.
Nail Mataka song, The Chemistry is Fire. Please, will we get to see you more on screen in the Hindi belt?
I mean, of course, I'm hoping so. But yeah, from whatever we've done, first of all, thank you so much. And this film is going to be very big, and I love my character. I've honestly loved playing this character, and fingers crossed. I'm hoping for the best. Thank
Can
you
we
so much.
manifest the next produced and directed by Aki in Hindi?
Yeah, of course, for sure. I think as an audience, when I saw the film, I think Kirti is going to create attraction towards her film for sure. 100% she has everything, and the emotional way what she has done, I think it's fabulous. It's fabulous.
Thank you so much.
Thank
And
you.
you were looking beautiful, beautiful bride.
Thank you so much.
Hi Varun, this side. Hi, Vishal Ambani here.
ताली बजा रहे थे
अंबानी
कैमरा आ जाए।
हाँ?
कैमरा में मैं आ जाऊँ।
नहीं खड़ा हो
विशाल अंबानी।
विशाल अंबानी पूरा नाम
विशाल मुकेश अंबानी। वरुण, मैं सवाल पे आता हूँ।
Are you the producer of the film?
वरुण, मैं सवाल पे आता हूँ।
चुप जियो।
थैंक यू। वरुण, जब बी नाम की लेटर आपकी मूवीज में आती है वो हमेशा हिट हुई है। आपके लिए बी काफी लकी रहा है। भेड़िया हो गया, बदलापुर हो गया, नाउ बेबी जॉन, बवाल भी आई थी। तो डू यू थिंक बी लेटर इज सक्सेस?
विशाल जी
और सबसे खास बात है, मेरे चैनल का भी नाम बजुका है तो वो भी बी सी है।
सर आपके तो बहुत चैनल है। सर बात तो सही है, बात में दम है। एंड बेबी जॉन एक बम है जो 25 दिसंबर को फटेगा, और कितना बड़ा फटेगा क्रिसमस पे, दैट आई थिंक द ऑडियंस हैज टू डिसाइड, जनता जनार्दन। सो for me it's always the audience. I mean, I don't get into this. I hope so. It's going to be lucky again. I pray. But सब जनता जनार्दन, हम लोग पिक्चरें ऑडियंस के लिए बनाते हैं, and them liking it and them disliking it, they decide. They are the decider. सब ऑडियंस के ऊपर।
माइक दो भाई।
Hello, yeah. Sir, Narinder Bhatani from Punjab Kesari, and let me remind you a bit. आपकी कोका-कोला की कमर्शियल थी जिसमें ऊपर से ना जूते फेंकता था एक इंसान, और जो आपको दिखा रहा था वो मैं था। It's been like 12 years now. My question is, कोका-कोला की टेलीविजन हमने करी थी, and now जो कोका-कोला का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है दिलजीत दोसांझ, वो आपकी फिल्म के अंदर दिख रहे हैं। Tell me about that collaboration, and it's for the producers also and for you also. The experience with Diljit Dosanjh.
दिलजीत पाजी के साथ काम करके तो बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा लगा। आई थिंक पूरा भारत उनसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं, द वे इज एंटरटेनिंग अस थ्रू ऑल हिज टूर्स, एंड ऑनेस्टली इट जस्ट टुक वन रिक्वेस्ट। एक बार खाली पूछा उनसे, गाना भेजा थमन सर का, उनको गाना बहुत पसंद आया। इसलिए आई वुड लव टू वर्क विद एटली सर, आई वुड लव टू सिंग फॉर यू। एंड वो सेट पे आए, एंड ही वाज जस्ट अ ड्रीम टू वर्क विद। आई थिंक वर्किंग विद दिलजीत वाज सो इजी दैट डे, वी हैड सो मच फन। बहुत मजे किए हम लोग ने साथ में, एंड आई थिंक ही इज इन अ स्पिरिचुअल प्लेस भाई। वो एक आर्टिस्ट है जो बहुत प्योर है, एंड वो जिस तरीके से लोगों को एंटरटेन करे, सो ब्यूटीफुल टू सी। जस्ट अफार से देखना उनको बहुत मजा आता है, एंड I'm going to be co-stars with them also soon. हम लोग एक पिक्चर भी कर रहे हैं अभी next, but whatever. But I'm very happy. So thank you Diljit Paji for singing our song and Betakka, and song is doing so well. गाना hit हो गया, so a lot of credit goes to him, to Dhi, to Thaman sir, to Irshad bhai, and Atli sir also for getting us the songs.
Hello to the team here. This is Aina from Instant Bollywood.
What's up, Aina? How are you?
I'm good. How are you? I want to ask Varun that the last time he spoke, you said that Atli sir did mention to you that after Citadel, you will get the confidence on OTT to finally believe that people are going to love you in action, and now people have really appreciated you in Citadel. It went so well. Do you feel super confident for a theatrical action release?
That's a good question. I think my confidence, lot of my confidence comes from my makers, my co-stars, the people I work with. They give me the confidence, and the way this man makes films, the way he produces films, the way he puts films together, puts a lot of confidence. The way Murad sir, almost every day I talk to him more than his family. So the way he gives me confidence every day to fight, to level up in life means a lot. But above all, I genuinely want to say that this gentleman over here, this film is going to, when it does well, I hope it's going to do very well. It's going to be because of him. Because more than confidence, he's put in a lot of emotion into this. You know, वो जो आग है उनमें, वो जो जज्बा है उनमें, वो it's the amount he's put na. It's very difficult. We are also pushing. Even I'm pushing every day, like giving my best. But he's been relentless. His tears are going to make this film a very, very big one.
Ramika, for you, how was it? Just, I think this is like such a big break for you. How was it to just be a part of this? You've been wanting to talk about Baby John for a while, but you couldn't. Now that you can, what emotions are you feeling?
I'm very grateful, thankful. ये words बहुत ही ऐसे लगते होंगे, grateful, thankful, but I know how it feels. It's just, I thank God every day that for a person like me who comes from a background जहाँ पे chance नहीं है ज़्यादा. You know, I don't know मैंने क्या ऐसा life में किया है that I met such good people in my life who I don't know saw what in me, supported me. Thank you so much, Atlee sir, again. My first meeting with him and the way he inspired me, the way he just motivated me in the first meeting, I was just surprised. I'm like, if I ever be really successful in life, that's the mindset I want to have in life, how to give chances to people that you really believe in. And I'm so glad that he believed in me. And Kali sir, when I met him for the first time, I didn't know that I was meeting him for the second time. I had actually met him a few years back on some other South Indian film set. And that was a surprise to me that I've already met him. I'm just very happy to be working with Varun sir and Kirti and produced by Murad sir. It was just like, it's a dream come true. And I swear मुझे नहीं पता है कि मेरे साथ ये कैसे हुआ है, क्या मैंने लाइफ में या मेरे पेरेंट्स ने अच्छे कर्म किए होंगे that I'm experiencing these moments in my life. So thank you and thank you.
Arun, hi. So I wanted to ask you one thing. So when there is a kid involved during the filming, kids are very honest with their feedback. What was that one feedback that you probably got from Zara?
Why are you taking so many takes? Do it quickly. And if something, see, for a child, you're right, if a child, something she doesn't find pure or real, if the emotion is not real, then they don't connect. Because they don't know the real difference between acting and real life. They are not making that distinction as yet. Whatever emotion they're showing, वो लोग 100% दिखा रहे. So Zara, every emotion had to be real for her to feel it. Whether it was giving cues, whether the way we would talk in scenes, the way we would communicate with each other. She's a very spontaneous actor, और वो comedy भी बहुत करती है. But she's really adorable.
She's the star of the film.
Yeah, she is the star.
Zara, you answer one question for me?
Yeah, she does.
She talks a lot.
You ask. What do you want to ask? क्या पूछना क्या?
So I want to ask Zara, how was it working with Varun sir for you, Zara?
It was very fun, and I really learned how to listen now.
Thank you. You were very adorable.
Thanks.
पूछ लो, she's answering.
और पूछना है Zara से?
She's in the mood. You guys should ask the questions.
बोलो पाजी बोलो. Who was your best friend on the set?
Buddy.
You said? What she means you or she means no? She means.
How much did you train her on?
This guy is your best friend. He's not even his best friend's best friend. Okay, oh my. Okay, sorry. He is a good guy. He looks like Santa Claus.
Second favorite?
Okay, second favorite.
Second favorite?
Bhumika ma'am.
I love you.
Hello.
Third favorite?
Also that.
Also that.
Shit, हम दोनों हैं.
Thank you.
Hello. Loving the Bond. Hi, on your left, Rutunjay here from Pop Diaries. The trailer looks amazing, the poster looks amazing, and I think this is going to be larger than life cinema, as you said earlier. My question is to Atlee or